Hello there, I'm Lee of Lee Us Up North, and today I'm going to be reviewing a Senix 4-cycle chainsaw. This is the Senix 46cc chainsaw. It has a 16-inch bar and has a 4-cycle engine. I bought this saw on April 9th of 2022, so I've had it a few years. It's only gone through one chain. It lasted till last year, so that's pretty good out of a chain. I run it often, not all the time, but it gets used. It's a good machine, and it is 4-cycled. It has, there's where you fill the fuel, and then here's where you put the oil. You have to dump it out once in a while and change oil. And it has bar and chain oil up there. Here's a look under the valve cover of the 4-cycle chainsaw. It's a pushrod 2-valve engine. Real neat setup. That's kind of why I bought it, just because it's unique. Most chainsaws are 2-cycle, where you have to mix the oil and gas, and they don't have no valves, but this one's got 2-valve motor. The Senix 4-cycle chainsaw is rated at 1600 watts, which converts to 2.146 horsepower. It has a rev limiter at 9,000 RPM. And there's some other facts. This is the specification chart. And I did change to an E3 spark plug, and it comes with a scrunch to adjust your chain and such. It also comes with this oil bottle. It's filled with engine oil, and you use that in it the first time, and then you can refill that too. It's 100 milliliters it takes, so that's kind of handy too. Yeah, I would recommend it if you don't cut a lot of wood with it. If you just use it to clean up after a storm or something, or if you cut firewood once in a while, you know, it's a good saw. But you have to take care of it too. And that goes for anything. If you take care of it and it's built all right, it'll treat you good.